let's look into components of steel structures. First of all, we have steel posts. We can prefer a profile, a W or H profile for a steel post, or we can make our posts by connecting different sizes of steel plates or L-shaped profiles or different shaped profiles into to form our own steel posts. For the steel beams, again we can use ready profiles such as this W-shaped profile, or we can create our own beams such as plate girders. Plate girders are built up from plates or shapes that are welded or riveted together. A web plate forms the web of a plate girder, this one, while flange angles form the top and bottom flanges. Shear plates may be fastened to the web of the girder to increase its resistance to shearing stress. These two sides here. Shear plates, web stiffeners, web and flanges. There can be box girders. Box girders are built up from shapes and have a hollow rectangular cross section, like these ones. We can have castellated beams. Castellated beams are fabricated by dividing the web of a wide flange section with a lengthwise zigzag cut, then welding both halves together at the peaks, thus increasing its depth without increasing its weight. Like this one. We can have open web joists. These are lightweight, shop fabricated steel pieces having a trussed web. A K-series joist has a web consisting of a singular bent bar running a zigzag pattern between the upper and lower chords. LH or DLH series joists have heavier web and chord members for increased loads and spans. Resistance to lateral wind and seismic forces requires the use of shear planes, diagonal bracing, or rigid framing with moment resisting connections.